This video explains daily and weekly maintenance of your LFC biodigester. Use soapy clean water to clean outside of the machine on a daily basis. You can splash water over the entire machine, but avoid the display box, which has the touch screen installed. Use the spray gun attached to the machine to rinse the inside of the drum. Do not use any chemicals to clean the outside or inside of the machine. A trained operator must remove foreign materials from inside the drum. Open the door. Remove any foreign objects that are visible. Press Stop, Start, Manual. Move the motor forward and then stop it when you see any more foreign objects. Repeat until all foreign objects are removed. The moving arms can cause serious injuries. You must always stop the machine before touching anything inside of the drum. We recommend you do this with supervision. If you still have any questions, please contact your authorized distributor or power knot.